How to hide all posts from Facebook timeline. So if you want to hide all posts from Facebook timeline, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Scroll down, go for settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll all the way down, go for the activity log under your activity, and here you need to choose post. Go for the public post. Once you're here on the public post, you will have all of the posts, right? So if you want to hide all of the posts from Facebook timeline, then what you need to do is you need to simply select the post and go for the right side, which has that three dots, and go for change audience, and then tap on continue. And under change audience, you need to go for only me. So select the last option, which is only me, and go back, and that's it. Once you've chosen only me, or once you've simply changed the audience to only me, then your post will be hidden from your Facebook timeline. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.